Hello there, welcome back to the Chef T for Tochukwu. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the quick and easy recipe you are about to watch. So guys, today's recipe is stir-fried chickpea. Let's get in. So first of all, my normal oil spray. We're just going to spray the pan. Don't forget, mackerel, like the calories counting and everything is always in the description box, so please check it out. And then we're going to add our chopped onion. Just use one onion. The weight, like the grams, is going to be in the description box. Sorry about forget. Pepper, garlic, ginger. That's what we're adding next. I always do I say blend? Yeah, my pepper, ginger, and garlic together. It just makes your food nice. Try it. Add your Maggi, and then we're going to add our mixed seasoning. You know, my mixed seasoning has all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, barbecue seasoning, jerk chicken seasoning, seasoning, paprika, whatever. So just add them. Then you add your mackerel fish. You can use salmon because I just like this one, but I would have used salmon. Like, I just wanted to use mackerel, to be honest. And then you add your cooked prawns, and then you add more seasoning because I cooked the prawns without seasoning. I was trying to get rid of the smell. I just don't like the smell, so I have to cook it very well. Yeah, and yeah, you just give it a good mix, and then you're going to add your bell pepper, your mixed bell pepper, the red, green, and yellow. You guys know if it's stir fry and there's no bell pepper, then it ain't stir fry, and that's a what? Period. But yeah, so I'm just going to give it a good mix. Around the pot it goes until it's ready. So at this point, I went to grab my soy sauce, and yeah, I'm adding my soy sauce. You just need a little bit, just for the coloring. Nothing serious. And yeah, I don't really taste it, to be honest. But yeah, soy sauce, and then we're going to add our roasted plantain. I made it in the oven, so it got burnt. And you know I don't put oil in it, so that's why, hence the color. And then our cooked chickpea, which is the main ingredient for today. So you just give it a good mix and make sure everything is going in, like going around. Guys, can you just see how it's looking? Like, this is not even the ending, but see, it's really coming together. Guys, I loved this. You would love it. You can use a different fish, but I would actually advise for this recipe use the mackerel. And then I just added tomato paste, just a bit of that, and yeah, that's it. Then we go again, just for color. You don't need much tomatoes, just little. Then you give it a good mix. Round the pot it goes, round, make it look nice. Oh guys, can you see how it's already coming together? Guys, I love this recipe. I could eat it every day. I actually eat it almost every day. That's how much I love it. And I'm like, oh my god, I haven't showed you guys on my channel. So hence you're seeing it now, the 2021. But yeah, this is it. And yeah, I was just checking the taste, but I cooked it for only myself, so I'm permitted to do that in it. And then you cover it for 5 minutes so that like the everything will go in, and this is what it should look like after 5 minutes. Guys, try this and thank me. Don't forget to comment what you think. If you try it, please always comment, tag me on Instagram, and let me know also that you tried the recipe. And yeah, I'll be back with more recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Try this recipe, you enjoy it. Oof, I even want some now, and I'm going to make some now. If you enjoyed that video, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to you. Tell everybody. Don't forget to comment down below if you would try out the recipe, or if you tried it out and you'd like to let me know. Also, you can contact me on my Instagram page called the Chef T, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy, quick recipes. And please turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, if I upload a video, you get it instantly. You just get the notification and you come here and watch the video. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me here today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.